Hey, what's up guys? I'm back with something exciting to unbox courtesy of the Infinix X Club. The X Club is a forum that you can join and chat with millions of people from across the world. The most exciting part is that you can get free gifts by contributing to the forums. I'll leave download links in the description below. Make sure you check it out and download the app where we can chat and have fun together. In today's video, we will be unboxing the Infinix iRocker. I've had this device for a couple of days, which means I've tested the capacity of the device under different conditions. Without wasting any of your time, let's go straight into the unboxing. The iRocker comes in a glossy white plastic material that is firm and sturdy, and I like how it feels in the hand. The buds look bulky in the eye, but I tell you they are lightweight and convenient to wear. I used them for long hours and they were just fine. At the top of the case we have the Infinix branding. At the front we have the LED flash that indicates when the case is charging. At the back we have the micro USB, and at the bottom we have some certifications. The build quality is great, and the magnet inside the case clamps the earbuds firmly. First time removal might be difficult, but subsequently you will get used to it. It fits in the ear perfectly, and I have used it for work and exercise, but it didn't fall off my ears. One thing though is to make sure you get the perfect ear tips that fits you. The touch control here is awesome, especially because of the tactile feedback you get if you press the earbud. With this tactile feedback, it means there won't be accidental touches like we have on other earbuds at this price range. You press once to play or pause music, press twice to go to the next track, press 3 times to go to the previous track. You can also call up the Google Assistant by holding for 2 seconds. Same applies for picking calls and ending calls. These touch controls are essential because with Bluetooth 5.0 you can go up to 10 meters away from your phone and it will still play. Bluetooth connection is fast. It doesn't take up to 3 seconds. While connected, there is 0 to no latency when playing your favorite music. I used it to play game and the response was accurate. We also have some IPX4 ratings because it's sweat resistant. Sound quality is great, the bass is well balanced and we get decent mids and highs. I've used them for calls and voice notes and they turn out to be decent. Even though it's not stated by Infinix, you get some passive noise cancellation. Instrument and vocal separation is decent. Honestly, the iRocker exceeded my expectation in some aspects, and here is a sound test of the iRocker earbuds.
iRocker. This is how it sounds when you are talking to your friends and family. Do let me know what you think about sound test or call test. Comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel.
You can get up to 20 hours of playback time with the iRocker. The buds can last for up to 4 hours straight, and that includes gaming, calls and music. For Infinix to come up with something great like this is surprising, especially because they focus more on smartphones. The iRocker has great sound quality, and the buttons on the buds make them more user-friendly and efficient. There might be some latency at times, but trust me, it's nothing you can't cope with. Hit the like button if you love this, make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and I'll catch you in the next one.